Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's quickly solve for x in this equation. Alright, so and now our domain must be x should be greater than 0. Okay, our x, whatever value we have for x, should be greater than 0. Okay, so solution. We have x multiplied by x in the square root. Applying one of the laws of exponent that says we have root a multiplied by root b, it gives root ab. That is what I have done here. Over now root x plus root x will give us 2 root x, everything equals to 2. Okay, so from there we have this to be s square. Now s square over 2 root x equals to 2. The square cancel the square root, so we have x equals to, and then when you cross multiply, this multiply this, so we have 2 multiplying 2 root x. Alright, so then that gives 4 root x. Now let's divide both sides by root x. Alright, so we have this side divided by root x, and we have this side divided by root x. Then root x cancel root x. We have x over root x equals to 4. Now another way to write root x is x over x raised to power 1 over 2, okay, equals to 4, because root a is the same thing as a raised to power 1 over 2. Okay, so that's what I have done here. And then one of the laws of exponent says we have x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b, then it becomes x raised to power a minus b. Okay, so this x same thing as x raised to power 1, and then we are going to subtract the powers. That is 1 minus 1 over 2. That is when I apply this law, everything equals to 4. Then 1 minus half will give us half. So we have x raised to power 1 over 2 equals to 4. Okay, so this is same thing as square root of x equals to 4. And then we can take the square of both sides. We take the square of this side, so I cancel the square root. We also take the square of this side, and then square cancel square root. We have x equals to square of 4 is 16. Alright, so value of x is 16. Now let's quickly check. Let's see if we are actually correct. We have root x multiplied by root x over root x plus root x, everything equals to 2, and we see our x is 16, so that will be root 16 multiplied by root 16 over root 16 plus root 16 equals to 2. Alright, so what's root 16 is 4, square root of 16 is 4, so we have 4 multiplied by square root of 16 is 4, over here we have 4 plus 4 equals to 2, and then 4 times 4 is 16, that will be 16 over 4 plus 4 is 8 equals to 2. By the time we divide 16 by 8, that is 2, 2 equals to 2. Alright, so that means that our answer x equals to 16 is a valid answer. Okay, now let's solve something similar to that. Let's solve something similar to that. So we have root x plus root x over root x multiplied by root x equals to 1 over 5. Alright, so let's solve this and write our answer under the comment section. Thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share it, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you in my next video.